everyone, myself Sindhishri, and today we're going to discuss a topic named binary relation operations. So, what is binary relation operation? It is a fundamental concept in mathematical and computer science. It describes the relationship between the two elements of a set. So, binary relations means if there are two sets. For example, if I'm this concept I'm taking from DBMS. So, if we have two entities or two tables, we'll define a function or operations in between the two tables. Okay, so binary relation operations involve combining or manipulating the binary relations. Their operations help analyze and understanding the manipulations between elements. So relations between the elements. Next. Now let us understand what is binary relations. A binary relation is a subset of a Cartesian product of two sets. It pairs elements from first set and elements from the second set. So this sentence means that it is a subset of a Cartesian product of. So first of all, we have to learn what is Cartesian product. So Cartesian product means when there are two tables, if we combine those two tables, all the elements from the first tables and all the elements in the second tables, including all those elements, are called Cartesian product when we cross that. Okay, so here the binary relations is a subset of that Cartesian product. Did you understand what is Cartesian product? It is nothing but all the values in the first table or in the first entities and all the values in the second entities, both values are included. That is called Cartesian product. Okay, next, binary relation can be represented as tables, matrices or graphs. Next, let us look into what is types of relational operations. First is insertion operation, union operation, difference operation, join operation, division operation, Cartesian product operation. So insertion operation means like if we have given two tables, that is table 1 and table 2. In both the tables, what are the common elements or common values are there? That values are taken by using insertion operation. Next, union operation means like if we have given two tables, we'll combine both the values. So both the values in that particular, so in table 1 particular value, in table 2 particular value, when we combine those, for combining those we'll use a union operation. Next, difference operation. Difference operation means the value which will be present in the first table but it is not present in the second table. For such values, to retrieve such values, we'll use difference operation. So join operation. In join operation is nothing but we'll join two values in the from the two tables. There are different types of join: left join, right join, left outer join, right outer. So many types are there. We'll look into the types in later slides. So next, division operations. Then the Cartesian product operation. As I said before, Cartesian product is nothing but all values from both the tables are called Cartesian product operations. See, it creates a relation by combining the elements from two sets. So when combining both the sets, it will create a relation. Next, now let us look into deep with the union operation. So union operation combines two relations into one. So it is nothing but it will combine the values of those tables into one. It will make the values of those two tables, combining them into one. In mathematics and all, we have used right union, intersection, that is in sets. Similar to that, in DBMS also, we'll take the values from table 1 or the entity 1 and the values from that entity 2 and we'll combine. It includes all the elements from both the relation, eliminating duplicate. In this union operation, we'll eliminate which are the values are repeated. We'll like duplicate values are not included in this union operation. Next, the result of union operation is a relation that contains all elements from both the sets. It represents the combined relationship between the two sets. Similarly, what I said before, it is very similar to that. Next, insertion operation. So what I said is insertion operation is nothing but the common values of the common elements from both the tables. Okay, now let us look into the definition. The insertion operation identifies common elements between two relations. See, if there are two relations or tables or tuples or tuples, or sorry, not tuples, or the tables, entities or relations, in those two relations we'll only take the common values, such that the value should be present in the table 1 also and the value should be present in the table 2 also. In both the tables which are the values are present, that values are taken by using insertion operation. So it selects only the elements that exist in both the relation. The result of the insertion operation is a relation that includes only the shared elements. It represents the common relationship between the two sets. Next. So difference operation eliminates in one relation but not in the other in another. So what is basically difference operation means? It eliminates the value in the one relation but not in the other relation, but not in the table 2. Okay. So finding the unique elements. The other operations done by differences, finding the unique elements. The difference operator identifies the elements present in one relation but not in the another. It selects the unique elements from the first relation. So if we'll define any two tables or two entities, from that two entities it will select the only one value which is unique and which is not present in the other table. For retrieving such values we'll use difference operation. Then the result of the difference operation is a relation that contains only the unique elements. Next. Cartesian product operation combining elements from two relations, creating all possible pairs. So what I said basically, in Cartesian product operation, we'll combine two table values. For example, see, if table 1 has 4 values and table 2 has 2 values. At first we'll take from the first value from the table 1 and then we'll combine it with the two values from the table 2. Then at second, then we'll take the second value from the table 1 and then we'll combine with the two values. Then the third value from the table 1 and then combine with the two values in the table 2. Then fourth value from the table 1, then we'll combine with the two values in the table 3. So to obtaining for such output or for such result, we'll use Cartesian product operation. So Cartesian product operation combines every element from the first set with every element from the second set. It creates all possible pairs of elements. Next, the result of the Cartesian product operations is a relation that includes all possible combinations. Next, at last, we'll see the join operation. So, the join operation combines related elements from two relations based on the common attributes. It will combine if when we define some constraints or when we define a condition, it will combine both the values values from the attributes, like from the table 1, based upon the attributes it will combine the values. Okay. Next, it creates a new relation that includes the matching pairs. The result of the join operation is a relation that represents the connected data. It shows the relationship between the two sets based on the common attributes. Division operation, extracting elements from one relation that satisfies another. Filtering data. So the division operation extracts elements from one relation that satisfies another relation. It selects the elements from first relation that have a, then the result of the division operation is a relation that includes the filtered elements. It represents the subset of the first set and satisfies the relationship with the second set. So at last, let us look into the examples and applications of binary relationship. So binary relation operations are widely used in databases and data analysis. They help retrieve, manipulate and analyze the data efficiently. For example, if we want to create a student record, class teacher record, employee record, for that and all, we'll basically use a database. Okay, these operations will help in databases to retrieve or to manipulate or to add or to insert or to do some of the required operations in that databases. Examples of binary relation operations includes SQL queries, data integration and data mining. Next, thank you for listening my video. Thank you.